Alright everyone, today, get you centered here. I'm gonna do the old LS400 brake upgrade for the old Lexus there. So I got some stop tech lines, new cross-shown slotted rotors and ceramic pads, and then rebuilt powder coated brake stuff. So we're gonna jack the old car up and take off these old sucky brakes. Alright, so what we're going to do is real quick take the factory, I guess, rotor and caliper off to see if the LS400 brakes clear 16-inch GS brakes, and put that myth to rest. Alright, so these are the new brake calipers I have. Lexus, you know, whatever. LS400 brakes. Just gonna see how these fit on this setup here. Let me go grab the rotors. These aren't going to fit without a spacer, but I have some, so I'm just going to do it. Don't do it. So I'm going to take this bottom piece off to get the RCAs put on. And after everything's on, I'll just ug it, but there's your brakes. So you can see the actual difference in rotor size, which is really crazy. It's like, look at this. Way smaller. You know, it's just crazy. So this will probably be a pretty good brake upgrade. Alright, so I have this stop tech kit. This is the line kit you need to do LS400 brakes on GS or whatever, anything with LS. Doesn't really matter a side, I would imagine. But, you know, just common sense. They give you copper washers and stuff. So on each side, when you put it in here, like this. Alright, so how you get this out is you pretty much use a 10mm brake line wrench. If not, you're going to screw this up. So you go through, come down, like so, crack it like that. That's how you do that. I actually want to make sure this cap's out so I can screw it on real quick. Otherwise we're going to lose a bunch of brake fluid. Don't you know? Yeah, use a brake line wrench. Don't use frickin' some regular 10mm, because that shit would suck. Do that.
Alright, so at this point in time you'd want to bleed the brakes. I gotta put the pads in and then put the wheel on, see if it works, and then we'll get a spacer because I don't think it's gonna fit. Alright, so the EBS filler I bought these from didn't give me pins, but you can order them at O'Reilly. That's how the brake pads slide in, and you can see where the pins just slide through and then have like a little cotter pin on the other side. And then, you know, this thing has an ABS pump. So what you do is you just push the pedal and it should do the work naturally. So what I'm going to do is I got to wait for those to come in. So I'm going to do the other side and then just leave it as is. And then I need to actually get some lug nuts too, like these short 1.5s, because it won't fit these factory wheels without a spacer, and I have a small one luckily. So we're going to go ahead and do that and just get the other side on.